Hello and welcome to Self Learning. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about 8 common interview questions and their answers. Before that, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more videos. So, the topmost interview question asked in almost every interview is, "Tell me about yourself," or "Walk me through your resume." These are usually the first question you will hear in an interview to get the conversation started. Now, here, the interviewer is not really interested in your answer. What they are looking at is your confidence. So, take this as an opportunity to leave a lasting first impression. Avoid summarizing your resume word to word. Start with your name, give your place information, your education details in short, job experience if any, and lastly, your family details in short. Let us see an example. If you just graduated from college and you are applying for your first job, then you can say, "My name is Riya Sharma, I'm from Pune, and I'm a recent graduate with a BBA in Human Resource Management. I've worked hard in my education and now I'm ready to apply my knowledge into practice where I will be challenged to grow and learn and contribute to the success of the company." Now, coming to my family background, we are 4 members in my family, including me, my brother, and my parents. My brother is pursuing his MS in Computer Science from XYZ University. My father is a businessman and my mother is a homemaker. Now, if you are an experienced candidate, then you can say, "My name is Priya Singh. I'm from Pune. I've done BBA in finance and I have 5 years of work experience as a product trainer. I started as a customer care executive and was promoted after 6 months. I'm passionate about learning new skills and I have completed a number of training courses. Now I'm looking to take my career to the next level where I can use my skills in a managerial position." Coming to my family background, we are 3 members in my family, including me and my parents. My father is a businessman and my mother is a homemaker. The next question is, what are your strengths? Interviewers will ask you this question to know how your strengths will be beneficial for the company. Make sure that you use power words in your answer. So these are some power words that you can use, like I'm self-motivated, I'm hardworking, dedicated, honest, flexible, optimistic, adaptability, etc. Now, of course, you don't have to use all of these words. Pick one or a few qualities that are relevant to the position. For example, my strength is my flexibility to handle change. I always look for the positives in every situation and I like to help and support others. You can also illustrate them with examples on how you have used them in the past and finally describe the results you have gotten. Let's move on to the next question, that is, what are your weaknesses? Now, this is a tricky one because you don't want to mention your flaws during an interview. So the key to prepare for this question is to identify your weaknesses that still communicates your strength. You can say that you have trouble saying no to others, or you are sensitive, more talkative, straightforward, or you focus too much on the details. Also, avoid saying that you don't have any weaknesses because no one is perfect. We all have weaknesses. A better approach is to choose an actual weakness, but one you are working to improve. Also, share what you are doing to overcome that weakness. Let us see an example. My weakness is that I sometimes have trouble saying no to coworkers and end up taking more work than I can handle. Not to let my work suffer, I have now started to maintain a balance between my priorities and sharing my knowledge with others. I'm glad that I've learned to balance between the two. The next question is, what are your career goals? Never say I'm not sure or I haven't thought about it, because that's not going to impress the hiring managers. Make sure the career goals that you mention should fit into the job you have applied for. Let us see an example. My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company where I can utilize my skills, and my long-term goals are to earn new responsibilities with the company, ultimately reaching higher positions as they open. Always make sure that your short-term goals and long-term goals should relate to one another. This will also show that you are committed and you have a plan in place. Tell me, what do you know about this company? Let us see some points which you need to include while giving such answers. Study about the company in detail. You can have a look at the company's website to know their history and what they do. Know the names of their owners and partners. Showing that you have taken the time to learn about the business is always a good way to impress your interviewers. Let us see an example. I have read a lot about your company. It is one of the fastest growing company in India, and it seems like a great place to work and grow professionally. And then you can add the name of their owner and partners and 2 or 3 basic facts about the company. The next question is, why should I hire you? Now, if you are a fresher, then you can say, if I get hired today, I can assure you that I can definitely prove myself worthy for the organization by completing the task given to me on time. And this will be my first platform to show my skills and dedication. As a fresher, it makes me more motivated to prove my ability and satisfy the client needs. If you are an experienced candidate, then you can say, my past experience and skills make me an ideal candidate for this position in your organization. Being a fast learner, I quickly pick up knowledge related to my project. Lastly, I would like to add that I work well both as an individual and also as a team member. The next question is, why are you looking for a job change? The best way to answer this question is to focus on positive reasons that are easy to explain. Avoid giving negative responses such as a bad supervisor, low salary, or work pressure. Always thank your previous organization. Let us see an example. I am thankful to my previous organization because I have learned a lot of things there. My skills and qualifications seems to be a perfect match with the job requirement of your company. Based on this information, I think this is the right place for me to start my career once again. I have the potential to add immense value to this position and excel within your organization. Do you have any questions for me? Always say yes when an interviewer asks if you have any questions, because this will make it clear that you were engaged during the interview. Always make sure that the questions are related to the job and the company. You can ask the job timings, job location, training period, or transport facility. Let us see an example. Thank you for giving this opportunity. I would like to know the job location and job timings. So these were 8 common interview questions and their answers. Thanks for watching this video, and I wish you all the best for passing your job interview.